Noonday's vision is to build a flourishing world where women are empowered, and this is just one story of women for whom that is a reality. Our pieces in what's called the Storyline Collection are assembled by women who have found freedom after sexual exploitation. Noonday's business partner in East Asia does outreach directly to brothels to build relationships with women and invite them into a new chapter of their story. At this partner, the women find not just a new job, but a new future, because there's also housing and healthcare and education, and of course, counseling and rehabilitation services. One such woman is Mei Lee, who said this: "Before coming here, I did not have trustworthy or authentic relationships. Since joining this team, I have learned that people can be authentic and they can truly care for me. I have developed trusting and committed friendships." Mei Lee and her colleagues create beautiful gold and silver plated pieces that are perfect for everyday wear, but equally at home with a little black dress for a night out on the town. These refined accessories often also carry a special meaning for the wearer. One nice touch too is they come in their own special packaging, where the person receiving this, so it makes a great gift, can open it up and see inside the name of the woman who assembled the piece for her. It's sort of a hello across the globe, and a reminder that just as you become a part of her story through your order, she becomes part of yours as you wear and treasure the work of her hands.